I got my Some Good News mail. My Some Good News mug in the mail. I'm very excited about it. I missed that show, John. You should bring it back. But good news for us, it's a holiday weekend and it's cocktail time. So today we're going to make a drink that there's lots of different versions of it. I like this one. It feels like more old schooly to me. And I'm making it because recently I've had a lot of requests. Not a lot. I've had a couple requests. Nobody watches these videos. I've had 2 requests. Somebody, a friend, was asked me what I could do. Hey, I've got Kahlua. What do I do with it? And another person was like, it's summertime. Bring on the Malibu drinks, Tom. Come on. So this drink includes Malibu, and I don't have Kahlua, but I do have a coffee liqueur, which is, you know, about the same thing. And we're going to make a Bahama Mama. That's right. The thing that comes frozen or in that bottle, and it's not very good or really sweet and crazy, and this version's awesome. Anyway, let's get down to it. So this is a shake and drink, and we're going to start with a ½ ounce each of Malibu and a dark rum. So we're going to need Malibu, coffee liqueur, a dark rum. I don't have like a dark rum. I have like a black spiced rum, which is the darkest rum I have. So I'm going to use that. And then a 151 rum, a high proof rum. And we don't need a lot of this, but we need a ½ ounce of Malibu. So let me do that. ½ ounce of Malibu. That's a little bit too much Malibu. I should, don't tell anybody. Okay. ½ ounce of Malibu. Here we go. Okay. Got rum on my chin. We need a ½ ounce of our dark rum. Spicy. We need a ½ ounce of our Kahlua or coffee liqueur. A little bit of this goes a long way. And this is Cafe Bueno's coffee liqueur. I love this. It's made in Mexico, and it is very good and very coffee. Yeah, it's a sweet coffee. Like, I could just drink that on the rocks. It is really good. And we're going to need a ½ ounce of this as well, our 151 rum. Bacardi. You stopped making your 151. Why? This is a Don Q. I've never had it before, by itself at least. I've had it in things. ½ ounce of 151. I'm like, Tom, there's a lot of alcohol in this drink. I know, but you'll be okay. Trust me. Okay, and then we need a ½ ounce of lemon juice. ½ ounce of lemon juice to go in this drink. There it is, yeah, but do. I'm pouring it in, yeah. And now we need 4 ounces of pineapple juice, the primary ingredient in any Bahama Mama. So we're going to do 4 ounces in my brand new jigger that has all the lines. I hated my other jigger where I was like, I think that's the right amount. So 4 ounces of this. Okay, and then we're just going to shake it over ice. Shake it over ice. About 10-15 seconds. going to serve. Oh, I should strain this for ice chunk's sake. And then we're just going to pour this over our ice in a glass here. Boom. There we go. And like any good cocktail or beer, we're going to let it sit for a moment. Cherries. Okay, so we'll go ahead and we'll put our cherry right there on top of that ice cube. And I'm going to lick the juice because these are really good cocktail cherries. Okay, let's try this. Oh, wow. It's very pineapple-y. Yeah, that is just, there's no, you can't tell there's alcohol in there. That is just a fantastic, you could make a punch of this, like just a big old bowl of that nonsense. And for a party, maybe the 4th of July coming up, I don't know. Yeah, that's, I wouldn't order this out. Like this isn't like a me cocktail, but it is definitely sweet. And it's not one note. I mean, it doesn't have a big like evolution or anything. I'm getting a little bit of the coffee in there, but like on the back end, I might up this to a ½ ounce as well, if I was to do it again, just to kind of like get a little bit in there. That's where a lot of the sweetness is coming from, here and here in the pineapple juice. So it's like really sweet. But yeah, that's pretty good. I liked it. No bonus cocktail today, but rather a bonus cocktail tip. You might have a lot of stuff in your bar. You might not have that much stuff in your bar, and you don't know what you can make with it. I use Cocktail Flow. It's an app on my phone. There's tons of different cocktail recipe apps. You can put in your ingredients, down to the type of, soda or the type of, whiskey you have, and then it will tell you what cocktails you can make out of the juices and everything else that you have in your house. I love it. It's what I used to start doing this, and now I'm just sort of like, I use it as reference, and then I make it that way the first time, and then I'm like, okay, I like this, I'm going to change it. Like I would put more of this in, because I like coffee, and I'm not really getting it. Like you get it like ish, and later. It's definitely something that you could miss if you weren't looking for it. So, yeah. Well, anyway, that's today's. And I will see you on the 4th of July. I have to unplug everything. I can't just... I do this show by myself. No one's editing. No one's cutting this. Like, I can't just say cut and it just turns off.